Hypothesis of quantum gravity. This article explores a bold new idea about the origin and structure of the universe. Inspired by a book by Professors Geraint Lewis and Luke Barnes, and by earlier astrophysics studies with Professors Brian Schmidt and Paul Francis, the author set out to challenge traditional views of cosmology, particularly the Big Bang theory. Instead of seeing the Big Bang as the ultimate explanation, this new hypothesis suggests that the universe might follow a more complex, unified pattern based on unusual shapes and concepts from topology, such as Mobius strips and figure-8 Klein bottles. These shapes are known for their twisting, looping structures that challenge our usual ideas of space and direction. By combining them with bits, the ones and zeros of digital information, and a mathematical process called Wick rotation, the author proposes a new framework that could better explain puzzling phenomena like dark matter, dark energy, and how gravity and electromagnetism might be connected. The article argues that past theories like the steady state, Big Bang, inflation, and multiverse aren't entirely wrong, they were useful stepping stones. But each has limitations, such as the Big Bang's apparent violation of the law of energy conservation. This new, topological model aims to unify everything, space, time, matter, and energy, into one coherent picture. The author introduces a concept called vector tensor scalar geometry, which could extend Einstein's and Maxwell's famous theories and bring us closer to a complete understanding of the universe. It's a starting point, a proof of concept, for future mathematical exploration. This article questions one of the biggest ideas in science: how did the universe begin? Many people think the Big Bang is the answer. It describes how the universe expanded from a tiny, hot, dense state. But there's a major problem with that idea. The Big Bang seems to involve the sudden appearance of all the universe's energy and matter from nothing. This goes against a basic law of physics, the first law of thermodynamics, which says energy can't be created or destroyed. Interestingly, an older theory called the steady-state model also faced criticism because it required the constant creation of matter to explain the growing universe. Scientists rejected it partly because we have no evidence that energy or matter can just appear. So why is the Big Bang still widely accepted when it involves the same kind of issue? The article proposes a different way of thinking. Instead of the universe having a beginning from nothing, maybe it's part of a cycle, like a loop that turns back on itself. The first universe might actually be the same as our current one, just seen from a different point in time. In this view, time isn't a straight line but a curve, eventually leading back to where it started. To support this idea, the article draws on modern physics, including Einstein's relativity, quantum mechanics, and mathematics like binary, zeros and ones, and topology, the study of shapes like Mobius strips and Klein bottles. These tools suggest that the universe might not need a beginning or end, but could exist in a continuous, self-renewing cycle. This concept challenges current ideas but could help explain deep mysteries like dark matter, dark energy, and the link between gravity and electromagnetism, moving us closer to a complete understanding of the universe. To truly understand the universe, we need more than just better telescopes, we need entirely new kinds of technology. Traditional telescopes only detect light waves, but this hypothesis suggests those waves are actually ripples in space-time that excite particles called photons. The next generation of telescopes could go far beyond this, using advanced physics like wave cancellation and quantum entanglement to connect with parts of the universe unimaginably far away, even billions of trillions of light years or more. These tools could open a new window into space and time, helping us uncover the deepest secrets of how the universe really works. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.